forward hand bite, and then we're going to pick it up, and then we're going to take a backhand bite. If you have a smaller patient, you could also just turn your hand over, right? But if you want to get the practice today of taking a backhand bite, you can certainly do that because you'll have to do that in your life. So that was a forward hand bite, a back bite. And remember, this models can be really good for you to think about how you're picking up and placing your needle in the tissue. If right here, if I just try to lift, I'm going to tear my tissue, which will happen in goat skin. Goat skin is really thick, so think about third year junior surgery. But also if you're working on horses or you're going to do mixed animal practice, you'll probably be working with some thicker tissue. And think about rolling your wrist. We've talked about that before when we were doing maybe our skin in first year. So rolling your wrist when you pick that up. When you're setting up your suture for this one's different because you don't want to go to the very end, right? We want to have enough that we can have our purse string tie and then have enough for our finger traps. So if you think about if I was going to be a motorcycle rider or riding horse, you want your suture to be about even so you have enough to go all the way down. So you can even make the vroom vroom if you'd like for the noise. This one may be hard also because you still do want to pick up your suture at the end, not in the middle. So for our throw, make that tight. So how many throws do I want to do? You could also do this as a hand tie if you want. So 4 throws. 1, 2. And then I'm going to do 2 throws as a hand tie so you can watch that too. So pointer finger, cross, pinch, rotate my wrist, pick it up. I know you guys are like, flashbacks. Remember after your pointer finger throw, you're crisscrossed. And I do my thumb throw, turn it in, X, pinch, rotate, pick that up. Okay, so that's my 4 throws, 2 knots for my purse string, right? So now I'm on the bottom, pretend I'm here. Okay, so I'm gonna go under, crisscross, and now I'm on the top to tie my knot. I can do the same thing. I can do a hand tie. It's easier if you think about making your pointer finger kind of be in line with where you're working. Can't even see that. Is that better? So X, pinch, rotate, pick that up, bring it through. If you want, you can cut off your needle so you don't stab yourself. You don't have to. Pointer, thumb, rotate that in, pinch, pick it up, bring it through. Now what do I do? Okay, so wrap it around. Now I'm going to go back again. Pointer finger, X, pinch, pick that up. So this is 1 throw. Same thing, 2 throws. So I would do this a total of, how many more times now? 2 more times, right? And then, so actually let me do it because I know that was, the end is a bit different. So we're gonna do this, get our 2 throws. You don't need a surgeon's on these. Okay, so this is my 4th. If you have plenty of suture, you can do more than 4, but just remember, think about doing a minimum of 4. Okay, so what is different on my 4th or my last throw? 4 throws. So that was 2 throws. So I'm going to do my 3rd throw here. And then my 4th throw. And the reason I do 4 throws on the last one is I don't want the knot to come undone. Because I'm going to cut, I'm not just going to leave my needle